How to enable live caption on Android. This tutorial shows you how to automatically generate real-time captions for any audio playing on your device. First, press one of the volume buttons on the side of your device to bring up the volume panel. From there, look for the live caption icon just below the volume slider and tap it to turn it on. After that, a caption box will appear on your screen and will automatically start transcribing any audio playing on your device. This works across videos, podcasts, voice messages, and even phone calls. At this point, you can drag the caption box around your screen and position it wherever it's least in the way. Following this, if you want to customize live caption further, open the Settings app and tap Accessibility. From here, tap Live Caption to open the full settings for the feature. After that, you'll find options to show or hide profanity in captions, toggle captions for phone calls on or off, and enable sound labels, which will show notifications for things like music, applause, or alarms detected in the background. Finally, toggle on whichever options work best for you, and live caption will apply those preferences going forward. Keep in mind that live caption works entirely on device, so it doesn't require an internet connection, and your audio is never sent to any server. That's how you enable live caption on Android. If this was useful, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Catch you in the next one.